Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox controller to an iPad. First, ensure your Xbox wireless controller is a modern model, as older versions might not support Bluetooth. Your iPad should also be updated to a recent iPad OS version, ideally iPad OS 13 or newer, to guarantee full compatibility and a smooth gaming experience. This setup primarily relies on Bluetooth Low Energy for a stable wireless connection. To begin pairing, hold down the small pairing button on the top of your Xbox controller for a few seconds until the Xbox logo starts flashing rapidly. Next, open the Settings app on your iPad, tap on Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You should then see Xbox Wireless Controller appear in the Other Devices list. Tap on it to connect. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Xbox controller and iPad can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go back to your iPad's Bluetooth settings, tap the eye icon next to the controller, and select Forget this device. Then, try the pairing process again from the beginning. Also, ensure both devices have the latest software updates installed. Connecting your Xbox controller significantly enhances your iPad gaming. You'll gain precise control and a more immersive, console-like experience, especially in action-packed or graphically intensive games. Many popular titles on the App Store, from racing to adventure games, offer full controller support. This setup provides superior accuracy and comfort compared to relying solely on touchscreen controls, making long gaming sessions much more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.